Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine here today. This one is a 2000 Mercury 20-inch. This is a 4-stroke carbureted. This one came back at 170 PSI on all 3 cylinders. Lower unit pressure tested good. It'll come with the prop that is on it. New spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, new power head oil, and the fuel system was cleaned. Go ahead and get this one fired up here. Got it pumping good water. Put it in forward. Back to neutral, reverse, back to neutral, shut it off, fire back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.